Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video, I'm going to show you my latest Michaels haul. If you are excited to see what I got, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. I was so excited when I walked into my Michaels store and they had tons of spring florals and greenery all stocked up. I've been waiting for this moment. This normally happens like at least a month or a month and a half earlier than it did this time. So I'm so excited they're finally here, and I'm so excited to show you what I got. All right, let's get into it. As you probably know, I love a good quality greenery. The florals were also marked down to 40% off, so I felt comfortable buying them. That's about as much as I want to pay. I usually wait for it to go to 50% off, but lately, you never know. You don't want to miss out because you never know when they're going to restock. So I got some greenery. I don't know what these are called. This is apparently a eucalyptus, and I love it. I love the color. It's really soft and mellow color, and it'll be so gorgeous in wreaths. So this is the first thing I got. So pretty. And then I also got these locust leaves. Aren't they gorgeous? They're these little bushes. I love them. They'll make such a pretty accent. I got quite a few. I like to see what's in store first before I buy a bunch of stuff online, if it's possible. All right, moving on from the greenery I got some florals, of course. These Ranunculus are so pretty. I love them. I feel like you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think getting 7 flower heads for one bush is a good value. It's about a medium quality. You have to really look through Michaels because you can have kind of some cheap looking things, but then there's some really nice things. So if you use only nice, very high quality, real touch, your items are going to be so expensive. So I like to mix and match some cheaper things or less expensive things with some really higher quality items. And I think this was a good happy medium. It doesn't look cheap. It's a really good quality, but it's not crazy expensive. So I got 3 of those. And of course, if they drop down to a lower price, I will probably stock up on more if they're available. I also got a cream colored ranunculus bush, the mini ranunculus. I love ranunculus. They're so cute. I only got 1 of these. Hobby Lobby used to have something very similar, but they don't sell them anymore. So I was really excited to find these at Michaels. They are a little bit pricier, but they make such a great filler. Then I got some thistle. They have this in a light purple lavender color and then this greenish creamy ivory color. And I got these because I thought they would go really well with everything I got. I don't know if you can notice, but all this greenery is more of a warmer tone, which I usually lean toward more of a silvery cool tone greenery. So I thought I needed some warmer tones, and it'll go really well with the pinks and the whites and things. I got an anemone bush, and I realized I only got 1, and I kind of wish I would have gotten more. And the same story with the ranunculus. These are a good medium quality. These are actually pretty good quality, and they have a little bit of a buttery yellow in the middle. Then that dark circle. Anemones are one of my favorite florals to get. They have that dramatic contrast with that dark middle and the lighter petals. So I thought that was really pretty. And just look how those go together. Aren't they so pretty? And then I have some buttery yellow florals I have from other things. But let me just show you. You get 6 flower heads for $7 full price. So these are 40% off, so it's much less than that. And then these are a wholesale anemone I got from Allstate Floral, and they were about $3 for 1 stem. Obviously the quality is higher, but it's nice to get a mix and match of these so your items aren't all so expensive. Okay, and apparently I love ranunculus because I got another kind. They are white, and you get 3 buds, which I thought, or 3 flowers, 2 flowers, 1 bud. I thought was really good, and these are really nice quality. I love the white, so I thought that was really pretty, so I got those. I got 4 bushes of those. Super cute. And then, surprise, surprise, another white flower. I love these hydrangeas because they're not the huge, big heads of hydrangea, which can be overpowering. They make a nice centerpiece, but sometimes the big hydrangeas can be a little overpowering. So these look like they're just about to bloom. They're so pretty. I love that bright green color. I think it'll go really well with the other greenery I got. And I just love the delicate white flowers. They're so pretty. The last piece of floral I got that you might be kind of surprised are these red crab apples. And I know you normally don't think of red for spring, and neither do I, but I thought this would be great for when I do 4th of July wreaths. I'm always on the lookout for high quality red and blue florals. Obviously I can find high quality white everywhere. I love that. Always keep it in stock. But the red crab apples are so summery and just perfect for when I start making 4th of July. So I thought that would be really cute. Thinking ahead, because you never know what's going to be in stock when it's time. So I got 4 of these. The last thing I got is a little out of the ordinary for me. It's this little container. It's so cute. I just love it. I thought it'd be really fun to make. I just love the shape of it. It's so cute. It's pretty good quality, and I thought it'd be fun to make a little arrangement in here. You can set it on a little side table or on a shelf. Nothing big, it's not huge, but I thought it'd be so fun to make something like that. So I bought this, and I'm excited to use it. All right, that's what I got from Michaels, and so much fun. I also have tulips and other things from them that I've gotten before, but this was all the new stuff I got this year, and this is all from my latest shopping trip. Let me know which item was your favorite, and I'm so excited to show you what I make with these in future videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye.